The introduction for oscilloscope. This is the front panel of the newer model of the oscilloscope used in our labs. At the bottom left of the panel, there are 4 components. The first is the calibration signal point. The second is the antenna knob, for adjusting the intensity of signal beam. Turn it to midpoint. The third is the focus knob, for controlling the focus of signal beam. Turn it to midpoint too. The fourth is the L knob, for brightening the scale of measurement. Turn it to midpoint too. Each channel has its own vertical position knob. It is used to move the signal beam up or down for easier measurement. However, the horizontal position knob on the right will move both signal beam left or right together. The vertical mode switch in the middle is for selecting the channels to be displayed. Each channel has its own AC, DC selection button for selecting the type of signal for measurement. Each channel also has its own G and D button for showing the 0-volt position on the screen. Lastly, each channel also has its own BNC connector for probe connection. The introduction for old oscilloscope. This is front panel of the older model of the oscilloscope, used in our labs. The calibration signal point, intensity knob, focus knob and illumination knob are at the bottom left of the panel to set them all to mid-position too. Here are the locations of the horizontal and vertical position knobs. These are the locations of the AC, G and D, DC lever, BNC connectors and the vertical mode switch.